Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to another fun-filled episode of Bubba Ray Biscuit. Today, we are at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. I'm going to show you guys around this place. It's going to be awesome, so let's get to it. From the front, the Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge is designed to look like a bunch of small buildings jumbled together into a village. Don't let that humble facade fool you. Once you're in the lobby, there's no mistake that you are at a Disney Deluxe resort. Over on the left is where you're going to check in. Now this area here has your regular check-in, your online check-in, concierge services, all the things you would expect at a Disney Deluxe resort. Down at the end, if you go to the right, you have an ATM machine and your fuel rod location. The lobby itself bears a striking resemblance to the Disney's Wilderness Lodge. That's because they were designed by the same architect. With plenty of seating areas, it's a great place just to sit and soak in the theming of this amazing resort. All around the lobby there are display cases filled with artifacts and carvings. This one kind of looks like the robot from Star Tours. One of the best views of the lobby can be found from the balconies. Up at the top you'll see the lobby chandeliers, which look like warriors' shields, and the resort itself is just massive. At the far end, you see this really cool cable bridge. At the rear, massive floor-to-ceiling windows look out onto the resort's private Savanna. Now where the front of the resort is intentionally jumbled, the back is one cohesive, amazing facade. There are a number of animals who call the Savanna home. Antelopes and gazelles, the giraffes and zebras. You never know exactly what you're going to find back here. Now guests can view the animals on the patio behind the lobby or from the balconies if they have a Savanna view room. There's also upstairs viewing patios that have rocking chairs and an open-air view of the Savanna below. They make a perfect spot for relaxing and enjoying the views of this amazing resort. Over on the side of the resort, you'll find the Uzima Springs pool area. This amazingly themed oasis boasts a zero-entry pool, water slide, kids pool, also has an entrance to the counter service restaurant Mara, the entrance to the arcade. There's 2 hot tubs, a playground, a pool bar, and even more animals. It's a really cool spot, one of the best themed pools I've ever seen on Disney property. There's plenty of seating and it's a nice big pool, so lots of folks can enjoy it at the same time. There are several lifeguards on duty as well as flotation devices for those that might need them. Towards the back of Uzima Springs, a flock of flamingos can be found in their own special habitat. And this is also near where the hot tubs are located. No matter where you turn in this resort, you'll find African theming in abundance. Back inside the lobby and over on the left side, you'll see a little bridge, and down below is where 3 more restaurants are located. One flight down, you'll find the bar area. On the floor below, you'll find Boma, which is a buffet-style restaurant, as well as Jiko, which is a fine dining establishment. We're going around the corner now to take a look at Mara, the counter service restaurant. And of course, next to Mara is the arcade. And this one has some of the best resort-themed merchandise you'll find anywhere. So there you have it. All in all, a fantastic resort. It's got great theming, great food, great amenities, awesome gift shop, great pool area. It's got live animals. What's not to like about this place? Hope you enjoyed this episode. It was a lot of fun to visit that place. Can't wait to stay there. Hope I'll see you back next time. Be sure to like and subscribe below. You guys have a great week. Take care, y'all.